Hello everybody, this is Jason from B&H. We're here at the B&H booth, and what we're showing off today is the Red Connect system from Red Digital Cinema. What you can now do with any DSMC3 camera is you can do live streaming via fiber through the Red Connect box. This will send 8K up to 160 or 120 frames a second, excuse me. And in this case, I'm doing 60 frames a second to the Z Fury from HP. This is the new Z8 Fury, a very powerful workstation from HP. And what we have, it's coming out of the NVIDIA. This is an NVIDIA RTX 8000 ADA graphics card, okay? And what we have is 8K video coming out of the card, and it's being sent live to this display right behind me, okay? Focus the lens real quick here a little bit so you can kind of see the detail. Yeah, so this is an 8K image right here coming onto this TV. That's one aspect of this that you can use. You could also be sending it to OBS. You could be doing a live stream. You could record that stream. The applications are pretty limitless. But the other thing you can do with Red Connect that's absolutely brilliant is that you can take the R3D files that would normally be recorded directly into the camera, and you can send those R3D files off the system through that same fiber to essentially straight to the editor or to the DIT cart while you're still filming. You're there shooting, and it's going right back to where it needs to go. So this is a great new system from Red. You can get more information on Red's website, so be sure to go to their website and check it out for more information. So this is Jason from B&H at NAB 2023, and we will see you again soon. And as a bonus, I wanted to show you this. This is the Red Connect being used to record R3D files off the camera. We're sending this signal off of here into the system, and what we're doing is we're then sending it directly to this laptop right here. And what you can do with this is you can record directly off the camera. So I'm going to initiate a recording right now. You can see we're recording right now. I'll just make it short just to show you. Hit stop. You can see up here, our time code stop, and you can play that clip back. Real quick clip. Now I just recorded several seconds of red code off the camera. So you could be sending these files back to the DIT cart, and instead of all that time that it takes to transfer media, that's all being eliminated. So once again, thanks for coming. Thanks for stopping by.